Hi, I'm Lisa from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I'm in the marketing department. I've been here a little over 6 years, and it's been a great 6 years, so just had my anniversary. I'm here today to do a little show and tell for you guys, but before we get started, I wanted to give you a couple of fun facts about me. I love spicy food. I'm from Texas, and we kind of grow up eating spicy food, and I actually won a jalapeno eating contest a few years ago, but it was really fun, and ate 3 fresh jalapenos, which was amazing. I also like to ride horses, which now seems very cliche since I'm from Texas, and I actually have a horse. His name is Joe. He just turned 23, which is a little getting to be a senior for a horse, but he still acts like a youngin', and we love to go for long rides, and he gives the best horsey hugs. And I also am really into gardening. My mom was a master gardener, loved gardening. She gave me a bunch of plants, and I've had some of the plants that she's given me for the last 30 years. I baby them in the winter. We have a heater in the garage. I keep them alive. I baby them all summer. They're so important to me. My mom passed away about 12 years ago, and so I like to keep her her joy of gardening alive. And also my mom was an avid traveler, and so when I started looking at quilting and making a quilt, one of the things I thought about was taking her travel t-shirts and make it into a pseudo t-shirt quilt. We didn't save enough travel t-shirts, but my sister and I took her t-shirts and we split them up and we made a quilt, and it listed some of her favorite places to go were Curacao, down by Aruba, Jamaica. She taught history, and one of the favorite trips we took together was when we went to visit in Boston the USS Constitution. She got to ride on that ship, so that's one of her t-shirts from that. And then also more Jamaica, and it was really simple. I just took layer cake squares and we cut the t-shirts out, and they all seemed to kind of match a 10-inch square. So my sister and I just had a lot of fun putting this together. We did this as a little project probably about 3 months ago. And before that, my very first quilt that I finished, I will admit I have a few UFOs, because since working here, I think I've become, like a lot of people, a fabric hoarder. I love to buy fabric, and I like to see it stacked in my sewing room. It makes me so happy. But I finally broke down, and I don't know if you've heard of Jenny Dome, but she has a lot of great videos, and one of the videos that I really loved and I thought would be easy for me as a beginner was the double slice pattern, and it just really inspired me. So I had this fabric that a friend had gifted me years ago, and made this double slice quilt, and it was my first one, and I had it machine quilted here at Missouri Star. They did a great job, and it's so cozy, and it just makes me so happy, and I feel so accomplished when I look at it. So this is my creative show and tell. Make sure to show us what you've made at #MSQC Show and Tell. Thanks so much.